Hey, let me get a mint. Hey, let me get one too.
Hey, let me hold him.
Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog doing?
This kid's definitely on crack right now.
Yeah! Yeah!
Why are you crying?
I broke up with my ex-girl. Here's a number.
What's that shit say?
Psych! That's the wrong number!
These nuts. Got him. Got him.
Oh, hold on, man. Hold on. My work shoes. I know, man. You worked a long time. Oh, man. No, man. What the hell? Oh, my God. No way. Talking about